Hello, today I'm going to talk about how you can set up your OBS settings for streaming on YouTube when you are using a AMD setup like RX 7900 XT or 9070 XT and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you my settings to get the best quality for YouTube. I hope you like it. Yeah, you go to File, Settings. Then here we have first tab, you have general settings. You don't need to change anything. You can change your language and stuff like that, but you don't need to do that. Appearance, same. You skip that. Stream, of course, you connect your YouTube account so you get connected to the server. This is very important. Check this. You need to have this checked, but ignore streaming server setting recommendations because the recommendations are always lower that you want to output if you are streaming at 1440p. So you want to check this to ignore the streaming service set recommendations. And audio streaming settings, I use AMD. I don't have any I disable rescale output. I use constant bitrate. That's best for my card and how I stream. You can have various bitrate. If you have various bitrate, it's like if you're playing FPS games and you have a lot of shadows and dark and stuff like that, then you want the VBR because then it's gonna variate your bitrate down to like 10K and up to 40K to adapt to your game. But I play Arc Raiders, I play Sim Racing, I play platforms games, and on my AMD the constant bitrate is the best settings for me. But you can try around and see how it works for you. The big difference is to have this up to like I do 48 kilobits per second, 48K of course, and 48K is the sweet spot for my internet connection and for my resolution. I try sometimes when I play FPS games I can hide this up to 51K and get a little bit better picture, but around 48 51K, around there I use it. 51 is max for YouTube, I think. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Keyframe interval, I set this 2 seconds, and present I have quality. Yeah, that's the main setting. Audio, you choose your best. You choose your microphone. I'm talking about now. I'm fine. And this I got default and disabled. It works for me. Video settings, base canvas. I have 44p on my base. I output 44p to YouTube. A downscale filter is no downscaling required because I'm outputting the same as my canvas, so I don't need to have this. If you have a slower internet connection, you can't output 1440p. You lower this to 1080, and you choose a downscaling filter that suits your graphic card or your settings. That's about it, I guess. I think I didn't miss anything out. So this is my settings, but it's a lot of trying and errors and just see what works for you. But this is my AMD settings. So thank you very much. Have a good day.